Interview of my dad!
What?
Talk about yourself.
Eating.
Talk about yourself.
Eating.
But it's an interview for you. You. Okay?
Okay.
Now tell about yourself.
Me?
Yes.
I am eating okoi.
And what about you?
Nothing. I eat.
Yes. What's your traits?
My traits are eating,
Friendly?
like my tummy.
Friendly? Oh wait. Friendly?
Yes, madam.
Are you a nice guy?
I think so. Are you?
Yeah, I'm a nice girl. So, yes, that's it for the interview. Yes, this is for the interview. And bye.